Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the auscultation of heart sound or simply the areas for listening to the heart sound. So there are 5 main areas to listen for the heart. So here's the mnemonic to remember the areas of heart sound, which is All People Enjoy Time magazine. So All People Enjoy Time magazine stands for aortic, pulmonic, point, tricuspid and mitral. So aortic is at right second intercostal space, which you can see here in green dot. This is the aortic, where which you can place your stethoscope to hear the heart sound. Then second one is pulmonic. Pulmonic is at the left second intercostal space, but it is opposite to aortic. So here you can see the pulmonic area, which is shown in red dot. Then we have Erb's point, which is between uh, here you can only hear only S1 and S2, which is at left third intercostal space. So the up point is here in the yellow dot, where you only heard about S1 and S2 heart sound. Then we have tricuspid, which is lower left sternal border at fourth intercostal space. Then we have mitral. This is located at the fifth intercostal and medial to mid-clavicular line. So you have to remember mitral M for mid-clavicular. So here you can see the area of mitral in orange dot. So these are all areas about listening for the heart sound. Then we have further sounds. So the basic and normal sound of heart are S1 and S2. So S1, also known as lub, which is produced during the closure of tricuspid and mitral valve. So the sound produced S1 or lub. Then we have second sound, which is S2 or dub. This sound is produced during the closure of aortic and pulmonic valve. So these are two normal. So closing of the valve opening does not normally produce a sound. Here is simply sound produced during the closure, not during the opening, because opening doesn't make any sound. Then we have abnormal heart sound, which are S3 and S4. Basically, S3 sound produced at early diastole in rapid ventricle filling. Then S4 is late diastole, which occur in high arterial pressure. So S3 is rapid ventricle filling and S4 is high arterial pressure. Simply forcing blood into a stiff ventricle produces S4 sound during late diastole. So, abnormal ventricular filling makes extra heart sound, which are abnormal. Then we have more term about this, which are systolic and diastolic. Systolic simply means when there is ventricle pump or ejection, or simply here the sound is produced, which is S1 or lub. Then when the heart relax, there is the sound produced dub, or simply this stage we call diastolic, or simply diastolic mean ventricle relax or filling, which produce dub sound. So in this manner, when the heart contract and relax, there is the production of sound lub, dub, lub, dub. Okay. So here is the memory term to remember. So cozy red. Cozy red. Cozy stand for co means contract or z means systole. So during systole there is the contraction of heart. Then red RE stand for relax and D stand for diastole. So during diastole, the heart relax. Okay, so this was the whole about auscultating heart sounds.